That's a definite tornado right there. I just thought that one. I thought over there, moved over there, and then boom. What happens?
Let's go back in and
I know, they keep talking about I know, they are confused. That's what you're watching. You come see where it is right now. We're right. There's Orlando. Yep. There's the corner of the county right there. Okay. We're just north of the corner of the county. There's the corner of the county. Yep, let's go. It's costing me less than, you know. Oh, I know it. I'll get this on high def video. How many minutes? I have 8 minutes left, and I'm switching to. Come on, don't do this to me now, Cameron. Come on. Come on. I'm doing something where it doesn't black. It doesn't put it. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's cool. Oh, come on. There it goes. Oh, come on, don't do this to me. There we go, right there. Oh, I keep trying to take a picture, make it black.